In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize your Google Meet video settings. Whether it's for work meetings, virtual catch-ups with friends, or online classes, ensuring your camera is correctly set up can make a significant difference in your video experience. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to www.google.com. Once you're on the Google homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will see an icon that resembles a grid. This is your gateway to the Google apps. Click on this grid icon to reveal a menu of various Google applications. From the menu, pick Google Meet by clicking its icon. This will guide you to the Google Meet homepage where you can start your session. On this page, you'll find the option to start a new meeting. To do this, simply click on the New Meeting button. The page will offer several options for starting a meeting, including Start an Instant Meeting, Schedule in Google Calendar, or Create a Meeting for later. For the purpose of this tutorial, click on Start an Instant Meeting. This allows you to quickly open a meeting room where you can immediately begin configuring your settings. With your meeting up and running, look towards the bottom part of the screen, beside the red Leave Call button. You'll spot 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots and a settings menu will appear. Next, select Settings from the menu. This will open a dedicated settings window where you can configure your Google Meet experience further. Upon arriving at the settings window, click on the Video tab to access your video options. Here, you're provided with the flexibility to choose which camera you prefer to use. If your device has multiple cameras, such as a built-in webcam and an external one, you can choose between them by clicking on the drop-down menu under the Camera section. Select your preferred camera from this list. Once you've made your selection, simply close the settings by clicking the X icon in the top right corner of the settings window. This will return you to the meeting with your selected camera now actively being used for video. And there you have it. You should now see the feed from the camera you selected seamlessly integrated into your Google Meet session. Taking these steps ensures that your video calls come through with the best possible quality, making communication more effective and visually engaging. Don't forget to explore these settings later if you need to adjust your video quality or switch to a different camera again. Thank you for watching and happy meeting.